How to fix camera not focusing in Moto G Stylus. First of all, force stop camera. Open setting. Now in settings scroll down. Click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera app. Scroll down. Now here you will see force stop. And if you want to force stop, then click on force stop. After click on force stop, camera will be force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, enable autofocus. Open camera, click on setting, scroll down. Now here you will see autofocus, and if you want to enable autofocus, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, enable autofocus from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset camera setting. Again, open camera app, click on setting, scroll down, click on reset, and again click on reset camera setting from your phone. This is how you can fix camera not focusing in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.